Today we're going to look at point slope form and where it comes from. So we're going to start with our old familiar friend, the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We know this. So we're going to do one small change to it. We're going to flip it around. Put the m on the other side. Not a big deal, but it's going to make things a little bit easier for us as we use this to get to point slope form. So now I've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals m. Alrighty, and now I'm going to make another little change. I don't need subscripts on both of the y's and both the x's. We'll know they're different. Y, y1, x, x1. So y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. Now I want to get rid of this denominator. So to get rid of a denominator, multiply by the denominator on both sides of the equation. So if I multiply both sides of this equation by x minus x1, now I can get rid of that denominator and I'll have x minus x1 on the other side of the equation. So slash slash, cancel those things out. I get y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's it. That is point slope form of a linear function. This is a pretty cool form to use, and we're going to see exactly how we can use this when we're given a point and a slope. So let's say, for example, we have a line. We know the slope. We know the slope is 2, and we also know this line passes through this ordered pair negative 3, 4. So I know slope is 2. I know it passes through negative 3, 4. And I want to write an equation for the line. Point slope lets me write that equation. I use the slope. I use the x and the y values from that ordered pair and just plop them into the equation. So we start with y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus the y value of that ordered pair is 4, so y minus 4 equals, slope is 2, times x minus the x value, x minus negative 3. Don't like that minus negative 3, do you? Let's turn that into x plus 3. So y minus 4 equals 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. That is the point slope form of the equation for the line with a slope of 2 and passing through negative 3, 4. Let's say we have a slope of negative 2/3. That line with a slope of negative 2/3 is passing through an ordered pair, 5, negative 2, passing through the point, 5, negative 2. So we take that ordered pair, 5, negative 2. We take that slope, negative 2/3. We replace them for m, x1, and y1 in the point slope equation. So that gives us y plus 2, because it's y minus negative 2 plus equals negative 2/3, which is a slope, times x minus the x value, x minus 5. That is what it looks like when we take the line with a slope of negative 2/3, passing through that ordered pair, and write it in point slope form.